There's no denying that losing your phone or personal information is the worst. What may give you some comfort is knowing that the Alcatel ONYX has improved security features, and even a way to locate your lost phone quickly if it's misplaced. In this two-part episode, we'll explore what you can do to keep yourself safe and what to do if you accidentally lose your smartphone. Check it out. Part number 1, Face Key. Unlock your phone with your face. Chances are you have already set up either Face Key or your fingerprint during startup, as users are urged to safeguard their data from the get-go. However, there is still a chance you were so eager to start using the phone that you bypassed the security setup and may want to go back to get things situated. We get it. If you haven't already guessed, Face Key uses facial recognition and the front camera to unlock your phone effortlessly, so we wanted to make sure you knew about it. From the home screen of the Alcatel ONYX, swipe down from the top of the screen once. Tap the settings icon. Scroll down the list of settings until you see security and location and click that. Then find and click on Face Key. Go ahead and click Continue. You will need a backup security option, so the choice is yours on whether you go with a PIN, pattern, or password. For this example, we will select PIN. Tap Yes to require this unlock method after you restart the phone. Enter your PIN, pattern, or password. Click Next. Re-enter your PIN, pattern, or password and click OK. Select Done after you've decided if you want your notifications to show when the phone is locked. Now, get ready for the phone to scan your face. When you're ready for the scan, hold the phone 20 to 50 centimeters in front of you, almost like you're going to take a selfie, and click the Start button. You'll see a circle appear on the screen with a square face finder. Try to keep your face aligned in that square until the scan reaches 100%. Click Continue and your face will be registered. The last thing you will need to do is select Turn On to begin unlocking your phone with your face. As a test, we recommend locking the phone and then pressing the power button while looking at the phone in the same orientation as before to test the Face Key process. You will see how simple it is to unlock your phone. Now let's check out topic number 2, Find My Phone. Activate and allow users to ring, lock, or erase a lost phone. Part of managing the security of your data is by being able to ring, secure, or erase your smartphone if it gets lost or stolen. Find My Phone from Google is the answer. Here's how it works. The following steps should be done on your phone immediately so you can take full advantage of the Find My Phone feature. Open Settings on your Alcatel ONYX. Select Security and Location. Towards the top of the screen, you will see Find My Device. Click on that. Make sure the toggle switch at the top of the screen is turned on or is blue in color. What this will do is allow you to locate your phone remotely from another smartphone, computer, or tablet in the event it gets lost or stolen. As far as precautions go, besides also making sure you have a PIN, pattern, password, fingerprint, or face key set up, that's it. Now let's pretend you've misplaced your phone and need to locate it. From your secondary web-enabled phone, computer, or tablet, visit android.com/find. Log into this website using the same Gmail account that is associated with the lost phone. On the left-hand side of the Find My Device page, you will see where you can play sound or ring the phone to help locate it nearby. Secure Device by displaying a message or phone number on the lock screen, and Erase Device, or remotely wipe all the data saved on the phone. First, go ahead and click the tab for Play Sound, and then wait as the phone will begin ringing. You can end the ringing from the website as well once you've found it. Please note it will only be able to ring the phone if it is powered on. However, it will still ring loudly if the phone is in silent mode. If you ring your phone and it is nowhere to be found and you've deemed it lost or stolen, you may want to consider clicking on the Secure Device tab to send the phone a personal message, like "Please contact Joe Smith if found," and then include a phone number to a friend or family member where you can be reached. Give it a day to see if you get a call or message. If there's no response, go ahead and click the tab to Erase Device to remotely wipe all data present on the phone. You don't want to risk having your personal information out in the open. We hope that your phone is never taken, but even if you have a moment of bad luck, rest assured in knowing that there are additional ways to safeguard your information. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos from Alcatel.